I can show you. I didn't abuse you at all today, and I can show you the videos from the other day.
No,
sir, since we're gonna. You remember when you came the other day?
I came a couple weeks ago.
He's been abusing. I will show you these videos, sir. Since now they want to play these type of games.
You lied.
She's mad.
You're a liar.
She's mad because it was her birthday. She didn't come home last night. She came in, jumped at me, and I ripped her clothes up.
I'm
I
in a
did.
domestic violence relationship with him.
But
we've been here.
2 people, 2 injuries, 2 knives, 911 call, placed then cancelled. The law required the officer to identify one primary aggressor. What happens when the evidence cuts both ways?
Your apartment?
Yeah, I need him removed, man.
He doesn't pay anything here?
Yeah, he lives here.
Oh, he lives here?
Yeah.
How long has he lived here?
7 months.
Oh, wow. Does he pay any rent or anything?
It's in my daughter's name now.
You remember we were here the other day, officer? You remember?
It wasn't the other day, but yeah, I remember you guys vaguely.
Same situation. Today it was a verbal disagreement.
Just calm down, relax.
No, listen, it was a verbal disagreement. He said, "Oh, I'm gonna call the police. You're jumping." I didn't do nothing to nobody in there. It's a verbal disagreement.
He ripped my shit up. It's my birthday. He ripped my shit up.
Outfit up. That's it.
He ripped my outfit up. He stole my keys.
I didn't steal your keys.
I'm supposed to go to brunch with my friends.
Did I not?
Guys, you need to relax. Now we're in public.
No, I
you
want
gotta
my
relax.
keys.
They're in the house. Did I not have the car light?
What's that?
He didn't call the cops.
Who called the cops?
He called the cops.
Okay, so
Yeah, he already called them.
you guys are dating, correct?
Yeah.
And he lives with you?
He lives with me. This is my apartment.
It's your apartment. Who is that?
My father.
That's your father, and he lives here as well?
Yes.
Okay. So how are we going to resolve this? Because
I just want my keys. I want him to leave. And he's getting verbal. He's getting physical from my children. I just want him to go.
What do you mean physical? What do you mean
Like
by that?
he's slicing my shit up.
No,
he took a knife.
Let's talk over here.
Okay, so if I hit her, why do I have marks on me and right here? And I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you. I can show you. I didn't abuse you at all today, and I can show you the videos from the other day, sir. Since we're gonna. You remember when you came the other day?
I came a couple weeks ago.
He's been abusing.
I will show you these videos, sir. Since now they want to play these type of games.
You lied.
She's mad.
You're a
She's
liar.
mad because it was her birthday. She didn't come home last night. She came in, jumped at me, and I ripped her clothes up.
I'm
I
in a
did.
domestic violence relationship with him.
It's not
But
domestic.
we've been here a few times
Yeah,
now.
exactly.
And nothing happened.
He's a narcissist.
So how's it domestic?
He's a liar.
To your face.
She scratched me.
Yeah, I'm trying to defend myself.
I didn't hit her.
He had a knife.
You had the knife. You're the one that come in. Her friend is gonna lie for every time. Look, I did not touch her at all. She did it first.
Okay.
You were here. I can show you the videos. You wanted to walk with me and then you can walk with them?
Literally, she has bruises on her body. He literally hit
Where's the bruises? Where did I hit her at?
Everywhere.
I didn't hit you.
Everywhere.
So that's what I did. You can go ask the son if you want to.
When did he? Okay.
Look, I can show you all the videos. This has been going on, sir. Now they want to say I called you the other day. She bleached my clothes the other time.
No.
Right there. No, let me recover.
Okay, everybody's got to relax. Who are you to them?
That's my friend, best friend.
She's the one. She doesn't live here at all. I'm sorry.
But I've been here the whole time. That's fine. I've been here. That we came here to come get her son and get her car keys and leave.
So I charged at her with a knife? Did I charge you with a knife? Did I charge Cookie? Do you guys really want to do this?
You did.
Hey, Greg, can you tell the truth? On your side, Greg.
I wasn't there. I was outside.
Okay, but honest, Greg, when you were in the house, did I charge her once? Tell the truth, Greg, please. This is a serious matter right now. Because now you guys are talking with a deadly weapon, Greg.
You're a liar, bro.
Tell the truth.
You're a liar.
Sir, can we get another officer so we can all talk one by one?
She was trying to defend herself because he was in the room literally like saying, yeah. He said,
This is the other day when you were here, look. Not doing nothing, what?
You had the same problem last week. This is getting ridiculous,
Look,
man.
hitting me. I didn't do nothing this time. I'm tired of going to jail. I told you that I'm tired of going to jail, dude, about nothing, dude. I'm so tired of that, bro. Every time.
Go talk to him. I'm going to chat with your girl, okay?
I'm a witness for sure. I literally came here.
And you know both of them?
Yeah.
Friends with both?
Yes. Well, I'm not friends. I do not like him. I do not support what he does to her
Nobody
at all.
likes him.
Nobody likes
Liar.
him.
He's a thief.
Why does he keep coming back here?
They said that they couldn't kick him out because he has mail coming here.
He abuses her
That she has
physically,
to physically evict him or go to the court.
Where's the knife at that he was chasing you with?
It's upstairs.
Like, this
Where
my
is it?
stuff.
Where is it right now?
I don't know. He's a liar and a narcissist.
Do you have your ID on you?
I'm just tired of it. I've had multiple no contact orders on him. I dropped the cases because, I want to try to get him a chance. I'm stupid.
What did he say when he was chasing you with the knife?
No, he was trying to fucking, he was, I don't remember exactly what he said, but he's fighting with me. He took my keys. He's ripping my stuff up. He has a knife, like.
But okay, so
and she
when
literally was defending
but was he
herself
chasing you with the
Yes,
knife?
yes.
And he was
Yes, he was.
it felt as if it was a threat.
Yes, no, absolutely.
This is going on for years.
What kind of knife was it?
It's like a kitchen knife. it's like a thin.
I'm gonna walk up there with you, okay? In 1 minute.
Listen, I'm not right-handed guy. I'm not lying about nothing. It's her birthday. She did not come home last night. That's how I started. She stayed all night. She said, I'm coming home. She said, where's my outfit? I said, it wasn't her. I hid the outfit last night when I came home.
Okay.
This is the honest truth. She came in, started with me. Oh, where's my outfit? Then I locked myself in the closet. She went, and that's when she got the knife. I started ripping her stuff. I took it from her. Her friend was sitting on the living room couch the whole time. Her friend had not seen her like her dad. He was mad because he's like, oh, you guys are always arguing. I'm tired of it. That's why I called you guys. I'm the one that called you guys. And if you listen to the call, she said, help. He won't give me the keys. Now today you're mad because the outfits broke up, and you're mad because I called the police and I said we'll lose everything. Now you guys are all trying to team up with me. I have the marks and I even have the videos right here the other day. From the other day, the 28th, when he came out here and I said nothing, she left, sir. He was my
So you're the one that called 911?
Yes, because they were trying to tag team me, man. They do this to me every time, sir.
It says you didn't need help. That's what 911. That's what the.
And I canceled the call. And then 911 was like, oh, we got to send someone here because she's in the background saying, I want my keys. He stole my car. So I said, you know what? Just send them through. As soon as I came outside, you were talking to Dad, and that's when they ran out because they didn't want me to send them. The Dad wasn't even going to tell you guys nothing. The Dad was just going to say they're in a verbal argument. That's it. They didn't come out and start telling me until I came out here because they were scared that she was going to go to jail, and I came out here talking.
I'll be right back.
They ran out here.
All right, let's take a walk upstairs.
She's been doing to me. She spent the night with me last night because he was threatening her. And then he said, because he's...
So he didn't say anything to you, he just had the knife
and he
was he running at you, walking at you?
Yes, and
No.
he took me by my fucking neck and snatched the boots out of my hand, started slicing the boots, cornering me in my closet. Like, he's a
Literally,
Who
narcissist.
originally had the knife?
He did.
He did.
He did.
Only thing I did is I took a kitchen knife because he locked me out my room.
She
I unlocked my
unlocked the
door. I took the kitchen knife. I placed
Put it
it down.
down.
He starts charging at me, trying to take my outfit away from my hands. He
And then
snatches
he
the
said
boots
he's
out my hand
taking
with the
all
knife,
of her dad's
slices
money
my
out of
stuff
his bank account.
And then what did the mark on his finger come from?
Probably from the knife that he had.
Because she was
me
trying to
and him
defend
were
herself. She was trying to get it
over
away from him.
Okay.
Like, she was trying to get it away from like this so he doesn't stab her.
You don't understand. I've been going through this for
You guys go
years,
first.
bro. Nobody
And
understands.
he told him, he was like, I'm gonna call the cops if you keep hitting my daughter. Like, he would not stop, and I don't want to get in it because he put a gun to my face before a long time ago. I told her to stay the night at my house last night, but she said she was too scared to go home because he was already threatening her.
Like, he lied.
Let's go to the apartment. I want to see the knife.
All he does is lie.
You guys have children together?
No.
No.
Whose child is that?
This is my child.
Her son.
So that's not with him?
No, absolutely not. Hell no.
Would like to get that knife though because that's
You
evidence.
need to ask him. Because he can tell you.
Well, just lie. All he does is lie.
So then the knife and the keys have to be either on him.
It has to be on him
Or
or
not.
outside the house.
Can you continue looking?
Yeah.
And stuff like that? I'll be right back. What knife did you use?
That's when I took the kitchen knife from her when she first poked it. I took it out after I snatched it out of her hand. She had the boots in her hand. That's when I was like this, and I put the knife right on top of the thing in there.
So you don't have an army pocket knife?
I don't have a pocket knife. The pocket knife's been in the house forever. I didn't use no pocket knife. I used the kitchen knife she used.
They found it? Okay.
Now they have it. I'm telling you what knife I used. I used the kitchen knife that I put on top of the closet where it was just.
But how did this pocket knife come into play?
The pocket knife's been home. I didn't touch no pocket knife today. The pocket knife stayed in the house.
And how did she end up with a cut on her hand?
I don't know how she had a cut. She would have came outside and showed you, but how did I have this? I was fighting her. She was poking me first, and that's how I snatched it out when we were fighting for the knife. And then that's when she came like that and it hit me right here. She hit me first with the knife. That's how it all started, and I'm fighting her. This was the video from the 28th when she was poking me trying to poke me through the door with the knife.
After getting the full scope of how chaotic things actually are, the officer asks the question that we're all thinking.
I don't know why you guys just don't part your ways, because this is a nightmare. Can you be in this every day? Because I've been out here a couple times.
You've been out here, I think, 3 times. I went and locked myself in the closet. That's when she came. She picked the door with the knife, and she came at me like this, and that's when I grabbed it like this. That's when she poked the slicing right here. And I don't know if her nail or the knife went like that to me. That's when I grabbed the knife. And I said, okay, I went like this. I had the boot in my, that's when she had the boots. I had to try to swing them, and that's when I sliced the boots with the house knife. No pocket knife, the house knife. She went and got another knife once I locked myself back in the closet. Did it again, and that's when I ripped the outfit, and then she came in the door.
What made you get a knife?
I took the knife out of her hand. I never had no knife. I
But
didn't
you
go
said
to
there
the
was
kitchen.
2 knives?
I took the first one, then she went back in the kitchen and tried to get another knife and open the closet door
That
again.
makes sense. So you were cut on your finger there, and
that's the hole from poke. I didn't do nothing to her, sir, at all.
Do you have any other marks?
This right here, and then this one.
And that?
Yeah, and then like I told him the other day, from the 23rd when I got bit right there, it's a stab mark.
So you were in the closet and she came to attack you, basically?
Yes, I locked myself in there like this. You can go look.
Where did the mark on your lip come from?
That's from her.
Fingernail scratch.
I called you guys because I'm tired of going to jail, messing up my record for something that I'm not doing. And like I told him, I'm here for the kids, and I have nowhere to go right now. I've been saving so I can leave. I honestly been saving so I can leave.
Yeah, it's a tough spot.
Yeah,
So her story didn't add up because she said that there was the army knife involved that I had. And she goes, it's somewhere around here. And she starts kicking all the clothes around and stuff. It wasn't. It was under the bed where he said. That's why I asked him, where was the knife? She had no idea where it was. Said that was involved. That's what he used to cut her hands.
So what do we know about the kitchen knife? I haven't heard none of this.
Supposedly she went at him with it. I mean, he went at her with it to get the clothes back from her because slicing it up. Nope, just on her finger, right hand.
He's got a poke mark on it. So if I'm, how are you going to try to stop the knife from coming at you?
Yep.
So if I'm coming at you and you're trying to take it away, aren't you going to grab for it?
That's true. And on the 911 call, that's why I'm pushing towards taking them both, because it says that she's yelling help, and he's saying we don't need it. We need you guys. And obviously they're going to team up with her friend. That's why I said that I'm not going to get a statement from you guys. It's worthless.
that knife right there. Did you get that from under the bed?
Yeah.
Was it right there next to ice cream wrapper? That's what it was wrapped in at, under the bed in the ice cream wrapper. Because the kids go in our drawer, so that's why I keep it under the bed, because she would never go in our bed.
And where was the friend seated at?
On the couch. Her back was towards the window right next to our screen door, the little back door.
So she didn't see any of it?
She didn't see any of it. Right, and that's right hand on everything.
Let me ask you that. Ma'am, see that when this all transpired?
I was in the living room, and then once I got up, I was sitting on the couch. I went to the room.
So you saw everything?
I seen everything from beginning to finish.
And what did you see again? Can you tell me again what you saw?
So once we walked in, she's asking him, where's my stuff? Where's my keys? He locks the door. She goes in the kitchen, uses the knife, pries it open. All I hear is like tumbling, so I run over to the room, and he literally is on top of her in the closet. So I guess she already got the closet already open because he did close it. Then he called 911. After he called 911, he hung up. He went back in the room. She went there. She was like, I just want my keys. I just want my stuff so I can go. Charged her with the knife, the small one, not the big one. But then he came back out with the big knife. And
At
then,
what point did the clothes get cut then?
when he was coming out the room.
So that wasn't the reason she barged in the room in the first place?
No, she was trying to get her things. And then she has text messages of him threatening her.
She has it on her phone?
Yeah, on her phone.
You have texts on the phone of him threatening you?
All night. All night.
Any today?
Yes. I'm gonna show you where he says, I'm gonna make you regret it. You think today's gonna go good? It's not, because I'm with all the fuck shit. Hope it's worth it, because you're going to regret. When I do dirt, don't be mad. Laugh now, cry later. But since you want to play these games, you thought you was hurt before, and now I'm gonna show you.
That sounds like a threat to me.
Go get new outfits and shoes since you want to lie and disrespect.
Well, that's not a threat. Go get a new outfit.
Okay, that's not a threat,
But
this is hope you going to regret it.
that's a threat.
Laugh now, cry later. Like, I literally have bruises from last week when he beat me up.
No, this is the last time.
This is the last time. I need a restraining order on him. I need a no contact order. He has to get out my life, bro. I can't keep doing this. 3 years. I can't keep doing this.
She never loved back in when you got the locks changed. You right the time when he slashed your tires?
Yeah.
Let me see your hand mark again. And you don't remember how that happened?
That's when I was trying to defend myself when I was in the closet and he had the knife to me.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear and affirm everything's true and correct in the statement provided?
Yes.
Good. So you're already signed. Okay, that's fine. Alright, I'll be right back, okay? This is all over the place. This is just all over the place. It's both parties there, honestly.
But she's bringing a knife into this thing and she doesn't even know where it's at. He described right where it's at because that's where it's kept.
But then who knows if he's smart enough to put it back in the spot he got it from. I'm not buying either of this story.
Yeah, but you just took it off.
No. Alright, Marquise, so you guys are both taking a ride, alright? It's just how it's gonna go today because the stories are all over the place and she's saying you hit her, you're saying she hit you, which I'm not denying the fact of that. Can you just double lock them? Okay. Thanks, brother. Melissa, come over here for a minute. Put your hands behind your back. You guys are both taking a ride today because he's saying you hit him, you're saying he hit you, so I can't differentiate from the two. I don't even have a witness right now. It's bias party, so.
It's my birthday.
11 Delta 71 Central. You don't have anything on you, do you?
Florida Statute 741(29). When probable cause exists that domestic battery occurred, arrest is mandatory, not discretionary. The question is not whether to arrest, but who the law requires you to take into custody. Florida Statute 741(29). Subsection 2, officers should, when feasible, arrest only the primary aggressor, not both parties. 4 statutory factors exist precisely to guide that determination. Florida Statute 741(2000)(901). Legislative intent. The primary aggressor standard was enacted to prevent one specific outcome, arresting a domestic violence victim alongside their abuser. The 4 statutory factors: prior history of domestic violence between the parties, severity and nature of injuries on each side, whether wounds are defensive or offensive in pattern, and statements from all parties and available witnesses. Florida Statute 784(21). Using a deadly weapon to create a well-founded fear of imminent harm constitutes aggravated assault, a third-degree felony under Florida law. A kitchen knife qualifies as a deadly weapon. Florida Statute 784.45. Battery committed with a deadly weapon is aggravated battery, also a third-degree felony. Both parties sustained knife-related lacerations. Charging simple battery under Florida Statute 784.3 may significantly undercharge this conduct. Florida Statute 784.48. Credible written threats directed at a specific person may constitute cyberstalking or aggravated stalking, an independent criminal offense, separate from any battery charges arising from the same incident. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Officer decisions are judged on what a reasonable officer knew at the moment of action, not in hindsight. Key lesson. Threatening texts acknowledged on scene carry direct probative weight in the primary aggressor analysis and must be documented accordingly. The officer read the texts. He called them a threat. Both parties were still arrested. Did Florida Statute 741(29)(2) require a different outcome? When does a dual arrest protect the victim? And when does it punish them?